Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check Instagram login history, so watch this video till the end. At any time, you can check a list of devices that have recently signed in into your Instagram account. If you do not recognize a recent login, you can log out of that location or device. So without any further ado, let's see how we can do it. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Tap the three-line menu symbol in the upper right corner. Tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap Security. Tap on Login Activity. All your Instagram login history can be seen here. There you go. These simple steps will show you how to check Instagram login history. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.